Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. So if it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss any of our videos. So today's video, before I jump into it, I want to show you guys what I made for dinner for my family. I made some rice, of course, and I'm gonna show you what I made today. It's called the aloo gobi. It's just a combination of cauliflowers, and I had some tofu and and some peas and some of the potatoes for my family. They look super delicious. They look, as you guys can see right here, and my boys love them a lot. And Rudy just got back from the grocery store here. Got some grocery food. Manu's food. We're still struggling to try and feed her with a normal food, but hopefully she gets to eat. Yeah, there's ramen. So today we'll be baking cookies. I will be the sous chef and Manu will be the chef for the day. So we are planning on making some macadamia chocolate cookies, but and unfortunately we do not have the nuts, so we're gonna just use only chocolate chips. Do you know what we're gonna make today?
Cookies.
Cookies? Are you ready to help Mama making some cookies? Yeah. Okay. Without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. What are you eating, Manu?
Seaweed.
Ooh. Crunchy? Okay, so we have our butter here. This is just only melted butter. We're gonna add the sugar. Let it mix well.
What are we going to do next?
We're gonna add the
Flour in. Can I taste it?
No, you can taste flour. Cinnamon.
A real flour?
Yeah.
Mom, it's like too much.
Okay. Whoa.
It looks like that. It looks like a diarrhea.
It looks like a what?
A diarrhea.
No, mine is one more.
It's getting sticky. It's getting like stuck to there. It looks like smoke.
We are making a mess here, guys. And we have to let it mix.
I'm gonna feel my hands.
What do you think right now, Manu?
It smells like butter. It smells like butter. Mama, please unstop it.
No, stop it yet. We have to let it mix up. So now what we're gonna do next, we're gonna add our vanilla flavors. Right, Manu?
The cake flavors?
Vanilla.
Let it. Oh.
You wanna do that? Yeah? Okay.
It looks like maple syrup. It's not even vanilla, Mama. It's maple syrup.
Yeah.
And smell it.
Yummy.
Oh, wow. It's dough.
So now, Manu, we're gonna add our chocolates. Let's move this first.
You mean chocolate chips? Put it in here?
Chocolates. Powder, yes.
Powder?
Put in it, yeah. There you go. And then we have to shake down. Shake, 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 shake down. I'm singing that song, guys, and back when shaking inside is like, Mom, please don't sing that song.
Now we get to mix it up.
Hold on, let's put this back in.
I don't think that's not a cookie.
Oh my God, do I even know how to put this thing back on? There we go.
You don't remember, Mama.
Wow, this is your first real time using it. It's been like a year.
No way, that's not true.
Yes, it
This
has.
little thing.
Never
we
seen
go.
you use this.
I got it. Man, no, go easy. Remember? Have to go very easy. Ooh, smell that smell of the chocolate.
It looks like pancakes. It looks like pancakes.
It smells like pancakes.
It smells like pancakes. I want to feel the dough.
You want to fill the dough?
Yeah.
What about we put the chocolate chips first?
No, I want to
You want to feel it?
Yeah. No.
Push it all the way back.
I can't do it.
You can do it. Push it all the way back. Let me help you. Push all the way back. And then we have to unlock it first. Like that. So we're gonna add the chocolate chips here.
Why are they gray? Mama, that's not the dough mixture.
That's not the dough mixer.
No.
You know which one it is?
They're off. Mama, that's not even a dough mixer.
Oh my gosh. We need
No.
baking soda, baking powder as well. Rami, tu vas aider maman? Oui? Yeah. So guys, apparently I was using the wrong mixture. So it got the whole machine heat up and steam started to come out of it.
I don't know what just happened.
I know.
But how did it stink?
So we'll have to wait a little bit. We change it. We got the oil dough mixture. Hopefully that will do the job. Obviously I don't use this often. I just had it in my kitchen for just a decoration.
And it's still hot.
It is so hot. Yeah, so we have to give it a boil for a bit. And meanwhile, we'll probably end up eating for dinner, and then later we'll get back in the kitchen and then work on that. So, yeah. So here we are. We're doing it manually. Now we have to take a little piece at a time. And then we gotta roll it. We don't eat it. No, we don't eat it. It has to be baked first. Right? And then we push it slightly down, just like that. We set it down. One more time. Just like that. Then you have to push it. There you go. Just like that. Good job. You gotta make sure you got some chocolate to them. We just have to bake them at 325 degrees for 30 minutes, and once they're ready, and we'll show you guys
I don't know how
the
to
results.
mix it. It's just
It's okay, you just have to make around little tiny balls. Make your balls first. You make your balls like that. First of all, you press it like that first. Then you make your ball just like that. Turn. Good job. And then you just press down just a little bit like that. There you go. See? Good job.
I make the tiny cookies. You make the big cookies.
So guys, we finished our dinner, and the cookies look amazing. Manu, what do you think?
It's so good.
It's good, delicious. So Manu approved it. Manu ate it. Yeah, me. So I'm gonna tested, and Mother approved. So this is how everything looks like. So guys, if it's your first time, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos just like this. And hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Hi. Bye.